Hi, my dear friend. Myself is Nirmal Ghosh here. Today I am presenting my 45th motivational video, and that is a very vital video, friends. That is related to meditation. Meditation, friend, is very much necessary for your life to focus on anything, to focus in any subject, to focus in your goal, and above all, to get mental peace within you. Meditation is very much necessary. Then there is lot of ways, friends, how to meditate. Friends, you get puzzled listening here, there, from those saints, from those gurus. They say they guide you in several ways, but you try those, and after trying some days or sometimes you get bored. You do not get the path. You get frustrated, isn't it, friend? There are some exceptions also, but most of the cases this happen. So, friend, I will say here a very shortcut method to get mediated. To get mediated, I will tell here a very shortcut method. I think that this will act for you all, because your nature is peaceful and joyful, and everything within yourself. It is true, and you cannot believe it because you give your focus too much in the outer world than in the inner world. So you have to focus on your inner world. That is meditation. So, friend, first you have to do, sit in anywhere, but you have to keep your spine straight. Okay, friend, you have to sit anywhere, with a chair, in a bed, in any place, and in any way. It is not that you have to sit in Padmasana. You can sit by hanging your legs also on a chair, but you have to keep your spine straight and your head straight. Then, friends, you have to close the whole of your ears so that the sounds from outer world do not enter into your ear and disturb you. You can do this by purchasing a ear plug from shops, any medicine shops or any shops you can get ear plug. And if you do not get this, you can use a cotton in your ear hole to close it. If you do not get those also, or if you want, you can use the earphone of your smartphone and put it there. It will cease the entrance of the sounds of outer world. Then the time comes to hear, to listen to your inner world sound. You have to close your eyes first. Then you take breath. Deep breath, inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale. And when you will do this, you just count 1 to 10. But friends, you will do this in reverse way. First, you inhale the breathing and exhale it and count 10. Then inhale the breathing, exhale it, count 9. Then inhale the breathing, exhale it, count 8. Just like this way, you move to 0. And you will feel that your mind has become total blank. Then, friend, you just concentrate the blankness, the darkness you are seeing here and there. You do not try to find light here or there, which you have listened to, which you have read in the books. You just keep away the books. Just focus on what I am saying. I am really grateful to Mr. Sandeep Maheshwari, the great icon of yachts, the one life entrepreneur, one generation entrepreneur, the role model who taught me this method. In this method, you will instantly get mediated. Even I am doing now, I am demonstrating before you I am also getting mediated. Anyway, I have to teach you, so I am keep myself alert. Friends, then you will just focus on the darkness, on this. You do not try to see anything. You do not try to see light here. Nothing, nothing, friend. You just focus on the darkness and pass your time. You just act as an observer. Don't try to see it which you read in the book. Suddenly you will hear, you will start to hear some sounds which you could not even listen, which you could not even heard in your real life, in your day-to-day life, because in your day-to-day life you become so much busy in outer world. So outer world sound comes within you, and your mind constantly say this thing, that thing to you. But here you will hear or you will listen to some inner sound, and that sound may be some experience that it's a sound of a sankho, that shell of the sea. You can see the sounds of a nupur, that's a twinkling ring, the sounds of twinkling ring, and you can hear the sounds of some other kinds, which is beyond this outer world, and you will be astonished. It is called the subtle sounds, friends. And you focus on this. And one thing you must do, that you will try to hear the sounds in your right ear, because in your right portion of your brain that is collecting data, and your left portion of brain that is analyzed, and the right ear or right portion is directly connected to a heart. So friend, you try to listen those sounds in your right ear, and it will be automatically analyzed here, and it will come to your heart. Here, your knowledge will not act anything. You just forget all your knowledge, because knowledge is temporary. Friend, knowledge is temporary. Can you remember the books you read in your class 1, 2, etc.? But that time it was important. So when you will do any work or anything, that time that knowledge is important, but it has no meaning afterward. Your experience, your perception, your feelings is important. You will get the feelings there, friends. You will get the feelings here. Friends, you will see amazing things in the darkness. You just try to see, observe it. And the great saints, they say one thing, that they are so addicted in this meditation that they get detached from the outer world totally. They leave the samsara. Yes, friends, it is so addiction. It is so joyful, peaceful feeling that I cannot express in words. Friends, I am just telling you the way. You just try it. And as long as you try it, and as far as you try it, and as deep as you will try it, you will get much more things which cannot expressed in words, in language, friends. You gradually increase your time. First day you do it 5 minutes, then 10 minutes. Gradually you will increase it, and you will be able to listen to several subtle words. Even the great saints also say that they could understand the language of plants, the language of other animals, etc., etc. That is subtle feelings. So first, friend, you have to meditate this way. Close your ears, close your eyes, focus on the darkness before you. Do not try to see anything. It will automatically come. And if you hear some sound, subtle sound which you are not get from your day-to-day life in your outer world, you try to hear it from your right ear, and then you will see many things, friends. It is the experience of one people, the experience of one person differ from the experience of other persons. So I will not describe it. You will feel immense pleasure, immense joy, immense happiness, friends. Your mind will be changed, your love will be generated here, your affection will be generated here. Friends, and at last stage of your meditation, when you will be in a high stage of meditation, then you will hear a sound that is Om. Om. This kind of sound we will hear. And it is described in various religions in different ways. The same thing is described differently in various religions. In Hindu religion it is said Om. In Muslim Sufis they called it's Hum. Buddhist called it Hum. Monipadde Hum. The word Hum it's related to the same word. The Buddhist blow a pipe, you can say that the sound of that pipe is Hum. That is same as Om. The same as the hour of Sel or Shankho. Same. Jesus Christ said that there is a sound, there is a word beyond all the sound, beyond all the words. That is the same Om. Whatever you call it, that peaceful sound, that positive sound you will feel. You will feel within you and you will be detached from all the material things. Friends, meditation has some negativity also. Friends, you will be so detached from your outer world that and your love and affection will be generated within your heart is so much that you will love everybody. Now friends, there is a problem. You went to purchase a meat. People want to purchase meat in the market and you are seeing that the meat seller is killing the goat. You will stop him. No, I will not eat meat because you love that goat. You cannot bear that murder of the goat. This will happen. This will be a problem for you. If you want to eat meat, you do not meditate. It will create so much love within you, friend, that you cannot imagine. Friend, you will love everybody. If somebody tell you the harsh words, you will smile and you will love him also or her also. If you want the market to purchase a hen, you will see that the seller of the hen is cutting the throat of the hen. You will stop him. You will make him stop. You will say that I will not eat the hen because I cannot allow you to murder this. This will be the problem if you do meditation. So you may call it the negativity of meditation. Friends, because your attachment will be so detached that you will be free from all bondage. You will be in eternal mental peace, friend, eternal mental peace that cannot be expressed in words, in knowledge, in anywhere. You will perceive it within your inner world and nowhere else, friend. I am telling you, when I am describing these things to you, I am also getting meditated within yourself, but somehow I am keeping myself alert because I have to complete this video. Friends, this is the amazing thing, this is the amazing feeling, this is the feeling of all feelings. If you do not experience it, you have experienced nothing in your life. Friends, if you do meditation, then the outwardly harm of you or outwardly damage of you do not affect anything. If you see that your house has got fire, your house are set on fire, it will not affect you. You will call the damkal, the fire brigade, but you will say from your inner soul that let it burn. Nothing in this world will affect you because you will go beyond this world in eternal peace and eternal happiness, friends. This is the miracle, this is the magic of meditation. And by meditation, you can do anything, any work with full of your mind. You can do multiple of works at a time. And you can move your mind from here to here, to here, to here with full focus, and you can do anything, just like Swami Vivekananda, who read a 1,000-page book in England within a minute because he perceived it, not he read it, he perceived it. This will not be learned in any school, in any college, because the person, the teachers who will teach you, they do not know this, because they also not get, they are also not taught it in their school or colleges. This is the problem. They will call you, they will tell the students that read carefully, read with full focus, but they cannot say how the focus will be increased, how they will give the full mind in the study. They cannot say it, because they also do not know this, because they did not get it taught in their school and college also. So they also learn from their childhood to their adulthood that focus on the study, keep your study going with full mind. But how to focus on the study, how you will give full mind, they do not know. So they do not guide their students. So this is why it is not taught in the school and college. You have to taught in another way. I think that this video will show you some path to how to mediate. Friends, please apply this in your life, and I hope that you will be benefited much. Friends, I will not make this video long. I will come with lots of motivational video. Till then, friends, stay healthy, stay well, stay positive. Goodbye, friends.